Hi, I'm Ron from SeRoSys Technology, and we're going to be doing a little demo of myself and my partner from Germany who will introduce himself in a moment.
Hi, I'm Sebastian from SeRoSys Technology. I'm based in Germany.
All right, so what we're going to demonstrate here is using the Python class system to send TCP IP control from the United States to Germany to demonstrate the interface on the SLSS CANAnalyser. Here we go. I'm going to connect now. So upon connection, we are going to switch over to a shared screen, and you can see that the tool is connecting from the Python script overseas. And now that it's connected, you can see the dongle LEDs blinking on the other side from Germany from the screen capture. So when I switch back to Python, you can see we've got connection here, and I will have a control button panel that I can use to control. So you can see the CAN traffic is being displayed on his SLSS CANAnalyser, and you can see his location is clearly north of Munich in Germany. And from my own desktop, you see it's 10:17 a.m. local time. And from his desktop, you can see it's 16:17 on his local time. So at this point, I'm going to start activating functions on his taillight assembly. So I start with the ignition, and I will activate the taillights. And we'll do a few other buttons just to show the time delays. Hazard lights are blinking. And let's turn on the reverse light as an example. And with that, you can see very fast interaction time across continents. Now that we have demonstrated controlling the taillight assembly in Germany from the US, so at this point I will hand the demo over to Sebastian so that he can demonstrate controlling a production headlight in the US from his location in Germany.
Hello, everyone. So here you can see I have still started the Python script and it's running. So you can see now we are sending FD and bitrate switched messages. So they are sent over the TCP IP interface, and we have to send values to calculate the SeRoSys checksum and also to have a counter value inside of the bytes we send. So that's why it's still working, and yeah, the messages are mutating. And I can now activate the daytime running lights and also the low beam, high beam, and the turn signal. The signals are sent via the TCP IP interface, so there's no logic inside of the headlight. It's all done by the Python script Ron created for interfacing that headlight. And I can also turn it off again and play around with the different functions. This demonstrates that it's also working in the other direction.